Welcome back everyone. Today I will be giving you guys a corner update. I will be going over some propagations that I've had in water for a while now. Some of them have started to give me new roots. I will be going over those today. I'll be pruning Calathea Crimson. Some of the leaves on it are just not looking as good. It's also giving me a lot of new growth. So I want to take advantage of that. Go ahead and chop off all the uglier, broken, older leaves. In the corner that I have it, it's getting to the point where it's getting too big. Let me show you guys. You see that? It's getting very bushy. A lot of foliage, which I love. This plant is beautiful. It's a beautiful plant, but it's hugging a little bit too much space. So I'm gonna trim it back a little so it will not look as big and take up as much space. And also, so those new leaves that are growing, some new leaves right there. So those new leaves will actually have space to grow and spread and just be free. Going over other propagations, I'll be working on my Peperomia rosso, adding a little bit of foliage to this Snowpin pothos here. And my lipstick plant, I love this plant, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I got some cuttings from it about, I want to say a month ago. It's been sitting in water for about a month. And it's given me quite a bit of, look at that. All of those roots. I think it's ready to be transferred to soil. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, do all that good stuff. You know what to do. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. I'm going to be filling up this snow queen pothos. As you can see, it is really full on one side, but then on the other side, when you turn it, you see all that, just empty space. So I have about a 4-inch cutting here that I took from my mother plant. It's ready to be transferred to soil, and this is a great way to make your vine plants look fuller. Fill up the gaps with small cuttings. I will be pruning my Calathea Crimson. Some of the older leaves aren't looking as great. As you can see, this one right here, you see that? I have like a hole. Some of them are torn. I'm going to trim down the uglier, older, broken leaves. That's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, do all that good stuff. You know what to do. See you in the next video.